Hello everyone, Paddy here, and change of location, but we are back with some more of these Heroes of the Storm Funko mini mystery figures. I'm never going to get used to saying that. So, as I explained last time, we ordered 12 of these from the Blizzard store, and they've sent us 12, so we're hoping we've got a full set, but we don't know until we open them. So let's open another 3 and see if our luck continues. So the first one, I think we're still missing Diablo, we're still missing Kerrigan. Oh no, there isn't a Kerrigan in this set. Still missing Cookie. And we have, we have the transparent Nova, the crystal Nova. Now, it's a very detailed little model, but I think I prefer the coloured in version, personally. I mean, the ghost effect is good, but yeah, personal taste, I prefer her fully coloured in. Let's get another one. This one's quite light. Come on. Wow! Away box. Okay, this has got lots of things coming off it, so... Oh no, this is Kerrigan. There is a Kerrigan in this set. I was wrong. This is very definitely Kerrigan, because that's her skeletal carapace wings. And she... Wow. I really like that model. That's... I think the pink's a bit bright. I'd have gone for a more purpley for a proper colour scheme, but in the terms of this set, I guess the coloration is quite good. The big beetle wings, because this is supposed to be kind of exoskeletonist, but yeah, she looks pretty cool. Even got her dreads right. Right, she can go at the front. And one last box, just to get the foot. So this one, give it a bit of feel. So this is Stitches. It's definitely one of the big ones. Pretty sure this is Stitches. And I think this is the normal Stitches with his meat cleaver over than his frying pan. Yep. So there we have Stitches. Big construct, flesh construct. All his guts hanging out, all his ribs poking through. Well, theoretically, they're not his ribs. They are just ribs in general. And his grinning little face. So, we're still on track for a full set. We managed to pick up in this one Stitches, Kerrigan, and the Crystal Nova. And they will join the rest of the guys back there on the shelf later today. That leaves me with 3 more boxes to go through, and we're still on track. Let's hope I haven't just jinxed the last 3 boxes. So, if you like this video, there's all the YouTube stuff that you have to do. There's all the likes, the comments, and the subscriptions. You know what to do. You don't need me to repeat it. See you later.